currently at Mona Hall waiting for Anice, Natia. And I'm going to meet up with her and go in. So we'll see. I'm good. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Yeah, I'm on my vlog. On my vlog.
I didn't know you were shooting vlog too.
Yeah, I decided to do a vlog for the time I'm here.
Okay. My first question, most important one. So, what's the first thing you liked in Georgia when you came here?
I mean, the people. Since I came to the airport, I was greeted nicely. You know, maybe I think the guy who I saw first when I came out of the airplane, he probably recognized me or something because he was like smiling at me. But yeah, it was nice. I hate the weather though because it's New York weather. It's the same. So
yeah, it's cold.
I left New York to come to New York, but nah, like nah, this is the only time I could come though. Like for summer, I'll probably come another time. But
ooh, yeah.
Yeah, this is the only time. If you want to see the rest of this interview and more in-depth behind-the-scenes footage of the artist and some fun moments, head over to Anice's YouTube channel for more. Link in the description. Get some for the vlog.
Hey,
As I'm here editing this video and my vlogs, I want to say big shout out to everybody at Flow. Big shout out to all the artists that I met there and I talked to. I didn't get to talk to all the artists that I've seen. I'm pretty sure I've seen Muska a lot of times throughout the night, but I don't think I talked to him throughout the night. But shout out to Young Mike as well. I didn't have him in my vlog, but I did talk to him, but I didn't get to put him in my vlog, man. And shout out to Koa, man. All night Koa's been vibes, MC. And shout out to and Ice, of course. You don't know, but now shout out to everybody that was there, man. All the artists that you've seen in the video, shout out to them, man. I had a little talk with Kami, but I didn't get him on the vlog really. I got him on the vlog on stage, but not like up close. But yeah, man, shout out to Kami as well. It was a fun experience seeing, the battles, even the dance battles in person, other than like me reacting on YouTube or whatever, but in person is so much better. If you're in Georgia and you haven't visited a PvP Flow battle or a battle from Flow, go check it out, man. Check out whenever the next one is. You gotta be there, you gotta be in there. You gotta experience the vibes, you don't know. If you enjoyed this video, man, drop a subscription down below. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for the vlog as well. I will be dropping a vlog while I'm in Georgia here. I'm going to have a little bit of everything in the vlog. That's why I'm not going to be uploading the vlog as yet, because the vlog is going to be throughout my whole time here. So I'm trying to create a nice vlog for everybody to watch, and for everybody in Georgia to watch, for people outside of Georgia as well to see the country. So I'm going to take time with editing and dropping that vlog, but stay tuned for that vlog. Let me know the videos you want me to do next or react to next while I'm in Georgia, man. Let me know down below in the comment section, man. It's your boy JT. Oh, shout out to everybody that I've met too that watches my videos. Shout out to everybody that watches my videos and you came up to me during the battle. You don't know. Nah, it's cool, man. It's cool to meet all of you, A lot of people who text me on Instagram as well, I met them that night. And a lot of people comment on my videos a lot. I've met them as well, man. So it was good, man. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Georgia. You don't know. Peace and love.